Hi everyone, Scorpion Bytes here, I hope you're having a great day. This is going to be a short video about comments in Java. Alright, so first, let's see what comments are. Comments are blocks of text in your source code that are ignored by the compiler. And they are ignored because they are marked in a certain way, so that the compiler knows it has to ignore them. Okay, but why we need them? The main usage of comments is to explain the code or to make it more readable. Also, they can be used to temporarily prevent the execution of some code. Now, let's see what kind of comments we have in Java. In Java, like in many other programming languages, we have single-line comments and multi-line comments. Single-line comments basically means we mark only one line to be ignored by the compiler. We do this by starting the line with two forward slashes. And as a result, any text that will be between the two forward slashes and the end of the line will be ignored by the Java compiler. In this example, we have a system.out.println hello that will get executed. Then we have this is a single line comment, and this line is a comment line, so it will get ignored by the compiler. And then we have another system.out.println hello, which will get executed. On the other hand, multi-line comments basically means we mark multiple lines to be ignored by the compiler. We do this by starting the comment section with /*. Then we put our comment that will span across multiple lines. And then we end the comment section with */. Basically, any text that will be between the starting /* and the ending */ will be ignored by the Java compiler. In this example here, we have a system.out.println hello that will get executed. Then we have a multi-line comment section that says this is a multi-line comment that will get ignored by the compiler. And then we have again system.out.println hello, which will get executed. Good, so now let's see some practical examples. This is the code from our last tutorial, and now let's go add some comments. I can, for example, add a single line comment here that will explain the fact that we are printing hello to the console. Let's run the program. So as you can see, hello and hi are printed, and the comment line is ignored. Now let's go add a multi-line comment. And run the program again. So as you can see, also this comment is ignored by the compiler. You can also use comments to temporarily prevent pieces of code from getting executed. So let's say, for example, I don't want to print this hi anymore for the moment. I can comment this line and then run the program again. So as you can see, this time only hello is printed and this print line hi gets ignored. Please keep in mind the fact that you can add both single line comments and multi-line comments basically anywhere. So for example, I can also add a comment after the main function. I can also, for example, add a multi-line comment before the main function. And I can also add comments before the main class. Now let's run the program and make sure this is okay. So as you can see, everything works as expected. Good, so now let's also see some useful IntelliJ shortcuts that will help you comment some code that you don't want to execute. So let's say I will print all the numbers from 1 to 10. And I'll do this by basically copying this line 10 times. Not the best way, but good enough for this example. Good, so now let's run the program. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 to 10 gets printed. So now, let's say I want to print only the numbers from 1 to 5 and ignore the numbers from 6 to 10. We can comment those lines of code in IntelliJ by selecting the lines that we want to comment and then pressing Ctrl//. So as you can see, IntelliJ comments each line for us. Let's run the program. As you can see, this time only the numbers from 1 to 5 get printed. Now let's say we want to uncomment those lines. We select them again and press Ctrl+/ again. As you can see, the lines are now uncommented. If you noticed, IntelliJ commented every single line as a single line comment. But we can also use IntelliJ to comment a block of code as a multi-line comment. We select the lines that we want to comment again, and this time we press Ctrl+Shift+//. So as you can see, we have now a multi-line comment that starts here and ends here. Let's run the program again. And again, only the number from 1 to 5 are printed. Again, if you want to uncomment those lines, you select them again and press again Ctrl+Shift+//. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe, it will help me a lot. And of course, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop a comment below. With that being said, keep learning and I'll see you next time.